How to flash screen for alerts on iPhone. So for this we will need the latest version of the iOS, which is the iOS 26.2. So you can open your system settings and make sure to go to General and check if you have the latest version in software update. As you can see, mine is up to date. So once you got the latest version, go to Accessibility and scroll down until you find Audio and Visual, and scroll down to the bottom and find Flash for Alerts at the bottom. And here you can see three options: LED flash, screen, and both. So simply choose the screen option and make sure to also enable flash for alerts. So now if you get a notification, it will flash your screen. So you can try it on your own. You can here also select if you want to flash while unlocked, but I don't prefer this option, and that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and see you next time.